Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain about one of the most widely used functions in Microsoft Excel and one of my favorites too, which is called VLOOKUP. Why do we use VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP lets you look up a value in a column on the left, then returns information in another column to the right. What does it mean? It means you have these two columns, start from here, like this. Okay, let us get started. Write VLOOKUP formula here. And then choose what do you want to look for. I'm gonna look for this, comma, and then select where do you want to look for this value. I'm gonna look for the value in these two columns. Start from here, and then comma, write number 2. What does it mean, this number 2? It means how many columns to the right do you want to get a value. This is 2 columns that I want to get a value. And then comma, write false. And then close the bracket. Okay, as you can see here, we have 50 amount of apples. Here you can change the fruit to get the amount of it. Banana, check the description how to make a drop-down list. Now try for yourself in midsection. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us. Don't forget to like the video.